Can you explain a little about?
I can find a direct value with Borneo, very easy to repair. I can find spare parts or then connectors,
Okay.
similar connector. You can find A50. We don't have that charging connector, so you can find a with Borneo, very easy to repair.
Okay.
Yes.
So all the where is connection going and what is the value?
Yes.
Everything.
Everything.
So you can repair anything.
Yes.
Hardware solution. Now it's along with the like, iPhone also. Now they are upgrading laptop also. So repair and service more than 1,30,000 technicians worldwide, more than 48 countries they are using Borneo Schematics. So this is such a nice hardware solution. So you have brother, like, can you share experience?
Yes, sir.
How it is
Sir,
like?
using this Borneo, we can check that pit maps lines through easily, very easily.
This is the bitmap.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And for mobile technicians, this Borneo is a knowledge bank. We can say easily.
Super.
We can use it's a friendly applications, user friendly.
यूजर फ्रेंडली.
Yeah.
सो इंटायर बोर्नियो इंडोनेशिया की टीम को इंडिया की तरफ से बहुत सारा ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं, आपके लिए शुभकामनाएं, और हमारी पूरी टीम आपको दिल से धन्यवाद करती है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर सेंडिंग दिस प्रमो कोड. थैंक यू.
That's it.